breaking the wall of monitoring alien species. Adam Kantor, Falling Walls Lab, Slovakia.
So I'm not going to speak about extraterrestrial entities. I hope you are not too disappointed. But I want to speak about biological alien species, which is the term that we use for species that spread beyond its original distribution due to human activities. Part of these species become invasive and they cause serious problems, such as these huge financial costs, which were reported recently in the article in Nature. But it is also connected with human health problems and mainly with danger to natural habitats and biodiversity. These biological invasions, rates of these invasions are increasing, and it is also managing them is also one of the sustainable development goals. However, the most effective way of managing these alien species is by early detection and rapid response. At the same time, we have great citizen science initiatives in which people from public can submit observations of organisms all around the world. One of the maybe most well-known now is iNaturalist, in which there are more than 200 million of observations globally. I believe that these data could be very helpful in detecting the spread of alien species. However, scientists do not use this data as effectively yet. That's why I came up with a procedure of how to process this data in order for more effective detection of expansion of alien species. I'm showing this on example of plants in Slovakia because I'm a botanist from Slovakia, but this process can be used all around the world and for any other species, group of organisms. It benefits from using so-called checklists, which are the complete lists of species recorded in specific area. In Europe, for example, most countries have at least one of such checklists for one group of organisms. So what I did was that I took the observations of plants in Slovakia and I filtered out all species from all observations of species that are enlisted in our checklist. And with some additional steps, I was able to come to a small subset of observations that I could manage and validate manually. And by visiting them in the field, I was able to find this year 4 new alien species in Slovakia. So these are the species that were not recorded in Slovakia ever before. And for example, one of them, this Lonicera japonica, is considered highly invasive species in many parts of the world. So we found it at the beginning of its invasion, and we can now manage it very effectively. So this is the process that I already did. And now I'm trying to develop a tool which would do this check regularly, automatically, and that could send notification to the user when new such species occur in target area. So I hope this will be like a globally available and quite simple way of detecting alien species. Thank you.